guys know it, you know I'm excited about this video. It's another pink phone. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life, in style, and in pink. This is our first look at the Xiaomi 13 Lite. And if you're not new here, and if it isn't obvious, I love pink. And year after year, I've looked forward to the Lite series because like I mentioned in my previous Xiaomi Lite videos, these phones usually come in really cute colors, they have great form factor, and these mid-range devices seem like they're catered to my needs, aka this phone specifically has 2 selfie cameras. And now that we've unboxed this baby, let's take a closer look at this phone. What a pretty phone, you guys. Like, I don't think I'll get over like pink phones. I mean, to prove a point here, like the previous pink Xiaomi devices, I still have them. I'm never gonna let these go. It's this one I like most though because it has that sheen, that matte back in the sheen. I mean, this new one is glossy. It's the sleekest of the last few Xiaomi Lite devices that I've tested out. Can't say that enough. I love that for me and my tiny hands. So you have that camera module, not as thick. I mean, I don't know, maybe it's just because we've had Android flagships in the past that was this form factor, which is why like I'm absolutely loving it. But yeah, it's still pink. I still love it. I still love how the light bounces off on that. It's so thin, I'm having a hard time focusing on the sides. Lol. Okay, on the right side, volume rocker, unlock button. At the bottom, speaker grills, USB-C port. You have your SIM tray, fingerprint unlock on there as well. And then that's a clean other side and top. I know you guys, I know it's an unpopular opinion, but I really like curved screen still. That is a pill-shaped cutout for the dual cameras. And I'm not gonna stop doing this, but look. So this thing is powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 and it has a nice curved 120Hz AMOLED screen. I personally love how sleek this phone is, and I am that Asian demographic which obviously still enjoy curved displays. Might have something to do with my tinier hands, and it just feels better in hand for me, especially because phones are usually way too big for my hands. And despite being the Lite, this has a 4500 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging, just like the flagship Xiaomi 13, which also I have a video of. I'll link it up here and down below if you want to check that out. But yeah, the thing that stands out to me, again, the dual selfie cameras. And I think it's pretty interesting how they did this because usually you have a selfie camera and when they add another one, it's a wide. This time around, the main selfie camera is a wide and the secondary camera is an 8 megapixel depth sensor. So basically you get a wide and you get better portrait modes. And okay, not only does it have a dual cam setup, it also has that dual LED light thing going for it. And what a pocket mirror mode. But yeah, I digress. We'll talk more about all of this later on. To the camera tour and some sample shots. Let's go camera tour time on the Xiaomi 13 Lite. Again, look at how sleek this phone is. Okay, so we have a wide 1x, 2x up until 10x. Up here we have flash settings, HDR settings, AI, you have your Google Lens. What other settings are there? So size, timer, voice shutter, macro mode, tilt shift is up here. We have a portrait mode. You have the toggle for the blur, beautify mode, you have the different filters, night mode, wide, 1x, 2x, 10x. Hello. Oh wait, okay, wait, no, not me getting lost in my own camera tours. Yeah, You have oh my gosh, brain fart. You have your size settings, shutter, and under more, 50 megapixel mode for shooting 50 megapixel photos. You can zoom up until 2x. You have your different filters up here. You have a short video mode. Again, this is the mode that Xiaomi has put in for social media use. Short clips for 15 seconds, and then after you shoot, you can share directly from the built-in camera app. So this is where your social media should come up if you're signed in on the phone. But what's also cool about this mode is the fact that you can add in background music here, slow-mo, fast forward, different effects like different filters, a kaleidoscope mode, which is super trippy, and your beautify mode. Also, by the way, you can do wide. Wait, did I already say that? But yeah, you can do up until 6x. You also have a slow motion mode that can zoom up until 3x, and how slow-mo? 1080p, 120 fps, 720p, 960 fps. You have a time-lapse mode that does wide, 1x, 2x, up until 6x, 18,000x, and a duration of 240 minutes. And then you have the vlog mode. We've seen this before. Movie effects, another fun Xiaomi specific mode that we've seen before. Long exposure mode, dual video, which you can move around. Okay, but this is a fun one, and this is the thing I've been freaking out about. Like, there's a pocket mirror mode. It says look into the camera and double tap the screen to zoom in. Wait, what did it say? I lost it. But basically, and you know, you just open the app to like look at your face, check your face. I've done this way too many times. And so you can turn on the lights. Again, did I mention? Yes, I mentioned earlier, dual LEDs. I'm so excited for the selfie part of this camera tour, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I'm just breezing through this part because I want to get to the selfie part. But yeah, pocket mirror mode is pretty cool, and then you can like zoom in. So if I wanna like draw on my wingtip, I can just use this mode because on the plane, I don't have my mirror. This is a real life scenario, and I end up putting on makeup with my phones. What is the cut? Ooh, see? So like, if I'm checking my eyeliner, I can just zoom in, do this, and like have a look at it. I mean, I don't know how useful this will be, but like, I'm liking the fact that there's a dedicated mode to this specific need that I actually use my phone camera for. I mean, useful. There's of course a clone mode as well, and an edit mode. Now on the other side, we have wide, 1x, 2x, and up until 6x on video. We have flash modes, HDR mode, your steady video mode. You have your different filters, and you can shoot up until 4K, 30 FPS on this. You also have your different beautify modes and your bokeh mode at the bottom here, a document scanner. I know it's the most boring like feature, but it's also one of the most useful. I use it a lot. And then we have the pro mode, the 50 megapixel mode up there. Now let's go do selfies. Hello. So you can shoot 1080p 60 fps on selfie video. I wish there was a 4K on this though. You have an HDR mode, you have your different filters, bokeh mode on video, and of course a more detailed beautify mode on the selfie cameras. On photo, ooh, did you see? Ooh, they just beauty mode me. Oh my gosh. But yeah, the trick here with the beauty mode is just to make sure it's very minimal. Like, you can use it to like sort of make you a little bit more fresh. That's more or less what I use the beauty mode for. There is a wide. Wait, there are two wides. There's a 0.6 and a 0.8 and a 1. I love that for me. Flash settings, HDR settings, of course you have the different like other settings up top. You also have your portrait mode, which I'm assuming would be better because of the depth camera up top. So you have an aperture of 1:16. Ooh, look at that blur. And your different like filters here as well. On night mode, wide, 1x, no zoom, flash settings. And we're back to more! So now, it's time for some sample shots. And that was our first look at the Xiaomi 13 Lite. Thank you, Xiaomi, for another pink phone. And thank you for the dual selfie cameras. Let me know what videos you would want me to shoot with this phone, you guys. If you want to see a camera vlog test or a social media test, comment down below. Right, that's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.